Happy Saturday. It is June the 17th, 2017. I was leaving the gym and I looked over and I'm like, yay, gorillas. I can find them anywhere. So today is We Become What We Think About, and that is Earl Nightingale. I wonder if gorillas think about bananas. I love Venice. It's so fun, so artistic, and we're all here on this earth doing the same thing differently in our own way, which is what we were put here to do. So may you always go bananas over the things you love in your life. That's what God put us here for. So just go bananas, but in a good way. So I hope you have a phenomenal rest of your Saturday. Yay for another beautiful day. Happy day today.